Hello, what is your name?
Hello, I'm Dina Marihani Barba.
How old are you?
I am 38 years old.
What is your religion?
I am Christian.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
Do you have kids?
Yes.
How many kids you have?
I have two sons, 17 years old and 15 years old. Two daughters, 14 years old and 4 years.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
I work here in Hong Kong for 2 years and 11 months.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
Yes.
Where?
In Lebanon, 2 years and 3 months. And Cyprus is 5 years.
Okay, so how long you been working with your current employer?
2 years and 11 months.
Okay, so where's your employer living in?
My employer is living in Colonton.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
1,400 is
How many family members there?
5.
How many children?
2.
Two. Okay, so how old are they?
6 years old.
And
Half.
and then the other one?
Twins.
Twins. Oh,
They're
okay.
twins.
So, would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning 5:45.
Uh-huh.
I prepare foods for the kids. Then take them down, go to the school by school bus. Then after go back in the house, prepare for the breakfast of my employer. Then after start doing the household work.
Okay.
Then after I finish the household work, then I go to the market for prepare for the dinner.
Okay, so what time you cook?
I cook 6 o'clock.
What time they eat?
The kids eat 6:30. Adults eat 8 o'clock.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
Sometimes 11 o'clock.
Okay, thank you so much.